All right, everyone, welcome back to the Palm Beach channel. If you can tell, I'm kind of stoked right now. Took a trade on Volatility 10 index and it's just dropping. Take profit smashed. And I'm going to be showing you guys how and why I took this trade and how you can start to spot setups like this for yourself. Let's get straight into it, shall we? From this day onwards, you are going to be a superhero in this market. I promise you that. You're going to wake up so excited to make money every day because you know what it takes to make money. Let's look at it like this. If we look at the trade like this, it just seemed like I got super lucky. Look at that entry. It just looks like I got super lucky. Unfortunately, this had nothing to do with luck, but it had every single thing to do with knowledge. And I'm going to be sharing that knowledge with you guys today. So let's break this trade down real quick, shall we? Now, before we even go far, let's look at this. Look at this right over here. The average Joe Schmo, the average John Doe, will be looking at this going, oh, I don't know what's going on here. What's this? They can't see it. But us here at Palm Beach, we see money when we see this. This is an opportunity to make money. All we need is the confirmation to go, to shoot our shot, and for the trade to drop all the way into profit. But how do we identify this? What is this even? This right here is liquidity. This is the market playing with so many traders' minds. But you, my friend, you're not going to be played around with by deriv anymore. Or any market, whether you're trading currencies, whether you're trading metals, whether you're trading indices, I don't care, commodities, I don't give a damn. From today onwards, every time you see this, every time you open the chart and you're about to take a trade, you will be able to take trades at the correct point each time. And I'm going to teach you how. So we're looking at this, right? What's the first thing that we have? If you've been watching my videos for long enough, bam! Sweep of liquidity. We're already in, right? So we have our sweep. This creates our protected high. What's the next thing that we get? Bam! Break of structure. Slowly coming together. Bam! Break of structure. Okay. Now, we have the first part of our puzzle. We call this the inducement phase. This is inducement liquidity. The market is inducing traders to take trades. What is to be induced? To be induced is to be convinced. You're being convinced to take a trade. In this case, traders are being induced to take sells. But the trade wasn't yet ripe. Right? So it looked like it was going to drop. Didn't. Came back to scare some traders. Right? And when it was coming back to scare traders, look, we have our inducement over here. Coming back to scare the traders, what did it end up creating? What we call structural liquidity. There are all these types of liquidities. You need to know about this stuff. That's the stuff that I teach in my mentorship program, but I'm going to be teaching you this in here for free. All these secrets. So you might as well subscribe to this channel while you're at it, because I will be dropping gems like this all the time. Structural liquidity. Right? Things are starting to come together. So we have that. Wham, wham, bam. Okay. Phase 1 of our puzzle is complete. This is phase 1 over here. Right? We are in to make some money when we have this. What are we now waiting for? We're waiting for price to break structure again. And what does it do? Break structure. Right? Break structure. All right. Now what do we want price to do? It's broken structure now. We are waiting for price to sweep structural liquidity and get into our point of interest. Very important this. This is the kill zone. This is a very intricate detail. And you need to know how to do this properly. Most people fail at this point. To point out their point of interest, to identify it. With practice and with more knowledge being gained, you'll be able to spot structural liquidity. Not structural liquidity. You'll be able to spot out your point of interest with ease, with a naked eye, without even having to mark out anything. You'll be able to spot this stuff. Your point of interest is where your sweep was. The order block that failed. This is a failed order block. Price was supposed to get in here, play in here, and just sell. But it didn't. It came in and broke this. And it swept this, making our sweep of liquidity, and then creating our protected high over here. So this area right here is our point of interest. We want price to come into this area and give us some confirmations. So what did price do? Well, no surprise. No surprises over here. Price broke structure. We're waiting for price to get in there. What did price do? Got exactly into there. And we got our confirmations to take the entry. And look at how many positions I stacked over there. Why did I stack so many? Because I was so confident. Look at that. Take profit it. It's very simple, guys. How did I get my confirmations? You just have to know your candlestick patterns. That's it. I got candlestick patterns and market shift candles that was showing me, no, we're now moving to the downside. And this was all happening in my point of interest. So once this candlestick closed very bearish, I already knew I was in for some money. Boom, positions. Melted all the way down to take profit. It's very simple, guys. This stuff is so simple. It's the same thing over and over again. The market has no new tricks. And you get to learn this stuff in Palm Beach, so you might as well like the video. You might as well leave a comment, it helps. Right? Share this with your trading buddies. They need to see this. What happened? Price just melted. All the way to take profit. We were targeting this low over here. I was considering jumping out over there. And this low over here, where price is currently chilling at. Take profit it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something new. I hope you guys were entertained in the process. I really pray that you guys will have a very profitable 2025. But you need to put in the work in 2024. Right? If you want to speed up your process of learning and actually becoming profitable, you can DM me on Instagram. Click the links in the description. Go to the description. There's links to my free Telegram group. There's a link to my Instagram. You can message me there regarding anything. You can ask any questions that you want. If you want to ask about, I don't know, if you want to just leave a comment. Or in fact, even if you want to tell me that you don't like the way I speak, you can just contact me on any of those platforms. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy your day the way I'm enjoying mine. This is how you make the money. This is where the money's at. It's right there. Same thing over and over again. This whole thing happens so many times in the market, you'd be so surprised. Go and backtest it for yourself. I really pray that in 2024, you leave all your childish ways behind. Stop donating money to the market and actually start to make withdrawals. Stop this life of being an absolute loser and come to the other side, the profitable side. Just study this, man. I'm telling you. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this, again, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, share this with your trading homies, all your trading buddies. They need to see this. If you have any comments, comment down below. If you want to I sent this signal in my free Telegram group. I send signals all the time, every single day. You can join the Telegram group. The links are in the description. Follow me on Instagram, whatever. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Palm Beach, signing out.